I'm Suman Agrawal here, and today's topic is the human digestive system. Let's start with the digestion. The breaking down of food into simpler form inside the body is called digestion. Whatever the food we eat is insoluble form, our body cannot use as such, so it must be broken down into simple soluble molecules that can be absorbed by the body cells. Digestion takes place in a number of steps. There are several organs in the body that help in digestion. These organs together make up digestive system. This is a human digestive system. Here you can see the several organs that make up digestive system, and these organs are mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus, salivary glands, liver, pancreas, gallbladder. Now we will discuss digestion in all organs of the digestive system. Digestion starts in buccal cavity. It is also called mouth. The food is chewed and masticated with the help of premolars and molars and tongue. The salivary glands release a digestive juice called saliva. Saliva makes the chewed food wet and slippery. This makes the swallowing of food easier. During digestion in buccal cavity, starch present in the food gets converted into sugar maltose. From buccal cavity, food goes to esophagus. Esophagus is a hollow tube. After the food is swallowed, it moves down by the movement of its muscular wall. From esophagus, the food goes to the stomach. Stomach is a bag-like structure made of muscles. The gastric gland in the lining of stomach secrete digestive juices which contain mucus, hydrochloric acid and digestive enzyme. The mucus protects the stomach lining from the action of enzymes and acid. Hydrochloric acid kills bacteria that might enter along with the food. The acid makes the food acidic to promote the action of enzyme. Stomach muscles churn the food with gastric juices secreted by the glands in the stomach wall. Most of the food is digested in stomach. From stomach, food goes to small intestine. The small intestine is a long called narrow tube. It is located below the stomach. Here the partially digested food gets mixed with the pancreatic juice from pancreas, bile juice from liver and several digestive juice of its own. Digestion of all the components of food gets completed here and the end products are ready for absorption. Large intestine is about 1.5 meter in length. The undigested food moves from the small intestine to the large intestine. The large intestine removes most of the water and certain salts from the waste by absorption. The almost solid food waste is then sent to the rectum. This wet solid waste called feces leaves the body through anus.